At last, my love has come along. My lonely days are over. And life is like a song. Thrill I can press my cheek to. Oh, I know what I want to start with.
Yeah? Okay. What?
Disclaimer.
Disclaimer.
This is not my face.
That's not her face. What? That's not her face?
It is normally less fat.
Okay.
I'm quite pretty sometimes.
It's true. She is. Well, sometimes. Most of the time. But
Thank
not
you.
when she has gauze stuffed in her cheek. And even then, remarkably so. But normally more pretty.
I just so appreciate that.
You're welcome.
Rock on.
I got your back.
Thank you.
Okay, so now that we've started with a disclaimer,
Yes.
let's move into questions.
Okay. Shoot me. Go for it.
We don't have to do this if you don't want to, if you're really dreading
Go
it that
for
much.
No,
Okay.
shoot it. I don't,
Okay.
shoot away. I don't know those
Shoot.
places.
Okay, is there a boy you like right now?
That's not fair.
Why is that
I'm
not
not
fair?
supposed to ask that in an interview when I'm high.
Why?
That is the depths of my soul.
You don't want to go there?
No.
Okay.
No comment.
No comment. Okay.
No comment. No
Off to a good
comments.
start. What's the most embarrassing thing you've ever done?
Not really an embarrassing person. It's just kind of a daily life situation.
Yeah.
So, I spilled coffee on someone.
Hot coffee?
Hot coffee. An Americano.
Oh. You spilled coffee on an American or you spilled an Americano?
No, I spilled an Americano on a Canadian.
Oh, that's terrible.
Oh, yeah, it was really sad.
If you could change one thing about yourself, what would it be?
I wish I could dance.
You wish you could dance? You took dance for a while.
I did, but that was like 5-year-old ballet. That was like shaking my butt with a little tail on it. No, I wish I could dance like on So You Think You Can Dance.
I apologize to all her dance instructors from back then. So you think you can dance? You want to dance like that?
Yeah,
Why don't you learn?
because I'm too old.
What do you got? Can we see some of your dance moves?
No, you can't right now.
Why?
Because I'm going to fall over.
Oh, okay.
I'm high. They had to put me in a wheelchair.
Yeah? Yeah, that's
Yeah.
true. They did. I have a picture.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You did?
Yeah,
When did you take a picture?
before you got in the car.
Oh, right.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We did see the proof.
Yeah.
I'm not dancing for you.
No. Okay, fine. If you could live anywhere in the world, where would you live?
So, I think I would either go for California or Cambridge.
Okay. Cool.
I like those places.
Cool.
And they both start with a C, which is kind of cool.
That's true. They do.
It's like they're the same place.
Yeah, they have a connection. What?
Yeah, so that's probably it.